So as you see here, we are down to the bare minimum. We have apples, we have a good amount of onions, and here we have some baby carrots. Looks like something dripped down there, gotta wipe that out. Some lemons, eggs. Just have some, it's like a tomato bean soup that I made for the kids and I this week. A little bit of Italian dressing. Candy apples, some Malta. My husband grabbed that at the store recently. It's one of his favorites. Definitely a treat just to have every so often. And condiments. About a half jar of pickles. Some sauerkraut. So we're down to the bare minimum. So we are going to work on getting this refrigerator filled. I'm going to quickly go ahead and organize it, and then I'm going to show you everything that we found, show you what my favorite deals were. So all of this was $200. I know the prices of many of the items, but you know, my husband grabbed a few things and I may have forgotten a few of the prices of certain products. So I will be sure to put all of the prices down below if you're interested in seeing that. I guess I'll start over here and show you everything that we found at the grocery outlet this time around. So here we have a little piece of plastic, some sazon. We like to use this in some of our recipes, and we currently have some. I just actually put it into my little spice jar today. The remaining packets I just opened and dumped into that, but it's good to have this on hand. My husband enjoys using that as well when he cooks. And we've run out already, and you know, he was disappointed, so I don't want that to happen again. So we have 2 boxes of sazon. My husband also enjoys Captain Crunch from time to time. Here we have some frozen fruit. We have strawberries and then mango. This has been one of my children's favorites for years, this exact brand. It is usually always $8.99. I've seen it for $9.99 as well, but it's usually always about the same price per bag. It's 4 pounds, the most delicious mango. We bought 2 large bags of wild, peeled and deveined raw shrimp. So we have 4 pounds of that to go towards dinners. Another one of our favorites, we've been buying these vegetables for years. $3 for frozen organic vegetables. It really is our favorite. It's great quality. They steam wonderfully. We put them into stir fries. Easy go-to item for dinners. My husband grabbed this, and I'm thankful that he did because we all enjoy it. Some organic teriyaki sauce. We love this for stir fries. I randomly saw this cumin, and I've been needing some. I like to make my own taco seasoning, and I have not had cumin for quite a while, and it's just one of those things that I always seem to forget to grab while we're shopping. So I grabbed the cumin. I thought I'd give this amaranth a try. This would turn into 6 cups of amaranth, I believe. So we're going to go ahead and give this a try and see how that tastes. We got a new coffee pot. And so the coffee that I get at Starbucks, I get the stevia and monk fruit as my sweetener. And the stevia that we currently bought, my husband doesn't like it too much. So I told him, hey, let's go ahead and order or buy wherever we go, you know, some monk fruit. I saw on Instacart that Costco offers this, but while we were at the grocery outlet, I came across it. So we went ahead and grabbed it right away. So monk fruit for my husband to try. Thank you for turning on the light. Some banana chips. I have seen dried bananas increase in price in a lot of stores. And this was just 2 something for 1 pound. But it's, you know, it's heavy. There's a lot in there. So that was a great deal. This was $6. It's 2.5 pounds. No sugar added raisins. So we will have raisins for quite a while, and we will all be happy to have them. These were on sale for just $2.50. Some jalapeno lime tortilla chips. Those are going to be amazing. Made with organic yellow corn. Yum. I can taste it already. I'm a goofball. And some more tortilla chips. Thin and crispy. I think, yeah, these are sea salt flavor. Since, you know, new coffee maker, we've been having fun making coffee at home. And we decided to buy some of this whole bean Columbia pea berry. I have no idea. Like, I've never heard of peaberry coffee before, but I wish you could smell this. It smells amazing. They have like a little indentation on the bag here where you can smell it. Are all coffee companies like that? Like, is that a thing that they do so that you can smell it? I don't know, but it is amazing. I hope we enjoy it. I'm sure we will because it just smells incredible. Actually, I think it's going to be my next video. We just placed an order to Amazon for some vitamins and such. And I'll tell you what, I had vitamins in the cart and then I hit save for later. I put more back into the cart, save for later. I just couldn't commit. The vitamins I've been ordering, they're great. I feel wonderful when I'm taking them, but they're $35 for one container. And I told my husband, I'm like, you know what? Let's just wait and see what we can find while we go out this weekend browsing around. So we came across these Vitafusion. They are organic. Women's multivitamin. I checked the information here on the back and it's very comparable to the vitamins that I've been taking. So we're going to give these a try. $5 each. You are supposed to take 3 of the gummies per day. So this will be 1 month's worth. So I went ahead and I got 2 months for myself and then 2 months for my husband. I grabbed the men's variety for him. So I'm excited that we found a great deal. $20 for 2 months of vitamins versus $70 for 1 month for the both of us. Crazy. Here we have some organic superfruit freeze pops. I know it's early to be buying freeze pops, but I grabbed them while I saw them. I'm going to maybe I'll put one in the freezer, but I'll definitely put at least one in the cabinet for now, just to save, you know, towards maybe springtime, if not summer. But we did find comparable ones at a different store a little while back, and we bought them and they were $10. So this was a great deal. These were 2 something, and they're good until May of 21. Another treat for the kids, even though you might laugh when you see our Amazon haul. I went ahead and I bought these Oregon Kids Protein Shakes. There are 6 in here, and this is usually like $8.99 to $10 in most stores. I've seen them. I never grab them at that price, but these were $1.99, so that makes it like 33 cents each. I thought it would be a nice treat for the kids. Maybe if we do like a play date at the park, or maybe to take, just to have in the car for them to have like after gymnastics or something one day. They're going to love those. A treat for my husband to take along with him to work. These were 3 packs for 97 cents. Crazy. I honestly should have bought more. You know, he could share them with coworkers or just to have stocked up. Yeah, 3 packs for 97 cents. This is a wonderful sauce. We actually bought these identical sauces a few months back and we've since used all of it. I forget how to pronounce this. I don't want to butcher it. And then the Primavera. So we bought 3, 6, 9, 10 jars this time around. I also bought some regular vegetable rotini. I think 5 packs just to stock up on. Pasta, different marinara sauces are something that I always like to have on hand. Makes for quick, easy meals. You can't go wrong with pasta. Well, at least everybody I've ever known enjoys pasta. It's a quick, easy meal that fills everybody up, and it's just, you know, savory and warm and delicious. I'm rambling, so here we have some almond milk. I do wonder how much this costs because I don't remember seeing the price of this, but I did peek at the milk section because the grocery outlet often has like oat milk and flax milk on super sale. And I don't remember seeing a good price on any of the milk, but we currently have no almond milk. So my husband grabbed this. When we have to pay full price, we of course do. We're not going to do without. And then my husband also grabbed these. They look amazing. Since we're there, he decided to grab them, but he already told me we're saving these for Valentine's Day. I thought that was so sweet. Some organic pasta, and it is 1 pound. Have you noticed a lot of companies are downsizing? They're like 8-ounce boxes or 10-ounce boxes. Pay attention to that if you're, you know, if you're on a budget and trying to compare different brands. Make sure you pay attention to that because you might see 2 pastas for the same price, and one could be 16 ounces and one could be 8 ounces, which is half the size. So 99 cents for those. I don't think I was saying the prices on most of the items, was I? I think these were 79 cents a bag. These were $1 each, 2 something. We'll leave it down below for you to go ahead and see those prices. So they definitely had some other items. They had lots of sweets and cupcakes. If you're having a party, if you're looking to stock up on those sorts of things, or like honey and peanut butter, they had lots of oatmeal. This is just what called out to me today. This is just what we wanted to stock up on. Pasta, sauces, some freeze pops to put aside for now, vitamins for 2 months, lots of treats for easy lunches and snacks throughout the day, lots of raisins and the banana chips, and then the tortilla chips, fruits. The kids will eat these as is, and then also we will turn some of this into smoothies. Mango and spinach, delicious together. You wouldn't think, but trust me, it really is. And if you're trying to increase the iron, you know, with your kids, spinach is great for that as well. And we got this shrimp. So lots of goodies. But that's it for today. Thank you so much for joining me, and I will see you in my next video. Bye everyone.